I'm going to show you guys how to make my fabulous immune boosting recovery smoothie. Now it's rich in protein, rich in vitamin C, rich in vitamin D, anti-inflammatories like turmeric and ginger, and it's going to get you healthy and fit in no time. So here I've got two beautiful navel oranges that I've just peeled, and I'm cutting into some big chunks here. So we're going to put that into a blender. Now that's full of vitamin C, full of fibre, which is fantastic, and it adds a lovely, beautiful citrus flavour, which I want. Now, 2 teaspoons of Healthy Chef Natural Immune Support. So I'm putting that straight into my blender. This is also really good because this is full of vitamin C, vitamin D, ginger, turmeric, rosehip. It's the perfect anti-inflammatory. And I've also got 1 generous spoonful of protein, Healthy Chef protein. Now, protein is vital for an important immune system. It helps to rebuild cells, helps keep you full, and it sustains your energy all day. So this makes it taste fantastic. And 1/2 cup of water. You don't need too much because of the juice in the oranges. And a little bit of ice, just if you want it a little bit colder. And all we do now is blend. Look at that, beautiful. Creamy, nourishing. Now this is enough for 2 people, by the way. Now you can also add a little bit of a banana if you're wanting something a bit creamier, but I just like mine plain and simple. And there you go, a perfect immune boosting recovery smoothie, Healthy Chef style. Enjoy.